In this video, I'm going to tell you how to speed up your details to maximize your profit when detailing cars. This is a BMW X3, a typical customer type of car where the interior and exterior gets cleaned. And I'm going to show you how I do it, but also throw down a bunch of tips and tricks so you can maximize your profit. Now, because time is money when detailing, I use my own formula of wheel cleaner that is a spray on, let sit, and then rinse off formula, and the wheel is completely clean. If you're looking for that, I have a link down below. Now, I always like to rinse the car off with a pressure washer, which one, rinses off any loose dirt, but also anything that is harder to remove is a pre-soak period before you use your wash mitt. Now, when washing the car, just make sure you start from top to bottom, work your way down, and make sure you're rinsing your wash mitt out between every 2-3 panels. Now, for me, Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant is my go-to product when it comes to giving a shine and protecting the paint of a customer's car. This stuff comes at a very economical price, but because Cerakote makes the best ceramic products out there, from the professional grade true ceramic to the paint sealant that you see here, which is also a true ceramic, but not a professional grade, it allows you to put on a spray sealant coating onto the car, bead water like crazy, and protect the paint for the customer at a very economical price. This stuff right here, I've had last on cars for up to 6 months, which is crazy for a spray-on ceramic, and it is super easy to apply in 3 steps with just wash, dry your car completely, spray it on the surface, and then lightly buff it off with a clean microfiber towel for results like this. This is from a Ford Bronco that I did. This water beading was only 2 hours after applying the coating, letting it cure, and then spraying water on it. It's an incredible product, highly recommend it. I have it linked down below for you to pick up on Amazon. Like I said, it's my go-to ceramic spray-on product for customers that don't want a full polished paint correction detail. Now with the exterior completely done, tires shine on, it's time to go into the interior, which pull out the floor mats, pull out any trash, and vacuum out the car is always the first thing I like to do. If you are a detailer that does mobile or in a shop, a Tornador or some sort of air gun is your best friend. It saves a ton of time, especially on floor mats and carpet. Blow them out, spray on your cleaner, hit them with the drill brush, and then hit them with the extractor. That's the quickest way to do it. I will also say, if you have a pet hair car, a Tornador is a key tool to getting all the pet hair out. Pet hair brushes work amazing, especially if you don't have a large air compressor to handle a Tornador. But if you have the opportunity to use one, it is 8 times safer as well, but a cost comes associated with that. Now, whenever I do my videos, a lot of people say, hey, you sprayed on too much product on the dashboard or the steering wheel, and then there's all this liquid being used. And yes, certain cars, because of how dirty they are, it is necessary. But for a car like this that is not overly dirty, a typical standard detail, I like to mist my all-purpose cleaner onto my microfiber towel and then just wipe everything clean. If I have a nook and cranny, I'll just spray a little bit of all-purpose cleaner on the brush and then brush that surface area to save time, because the more liquid you spray on, the more cleanup you have to do, the more you have to use compressed air to blow that excess liquid out, so it adds to the detail. But if it's an easy detail, just use a microfiber towel with all-purpose cleaner sprayed onto it. Now, after the seats are cleaned, I always like to put on a quick leather conditioner, which any leather conditioner on the market today and for any type of vehicle, it's not a true conditioner. You're applying a silicone protectant onto the surface that is leather friendly or pleather friendly to give it that extra shine and protect. Now, if you like this video, click the one right here on screen. Go watch another one to learn more about detailing, and thank you for watching.